Hello, in this educational video we want to teach how to program the start of the electromotor as a fast right hand rotation. In the power circuit we use two contactors and use one conductor to replace the two phases. We want the motor to turn left quickly when this input is activated and the motor to turn right when this input is activated. We executed the common circuit with the PLC and the program we gave is like this. We use X1 and X0 as the inputs and Y0 and Y1 as the output. We want to activate Y0 output when we activate the input X1. When input X0, X3 is activated, output Y0 is disabled, and output Y1 is enabled. And the place of these two contacts is changed. Now, if we activate input X1, the left hand conductor is activated. We can disable it by entering stop. If it is left-handed, we can change the direction of the motor from left-handed to right-handed with this X3 input and change the two phases. In the upper part, the phases are in their place, but in the lower part, we change the place of two phases. So we change the places of L1 and L3, and by doing this we change the rotation of the motor. This motor startup program is not fully protected, and I put the turning in the next video. Because this setup is fast and changes from left hand and right hand without stopping, and this program should not be using for heavy motor. In a heavy motor, the stop input must be activated first, and the motor shaft stop completely and then starts in the other direction. This program is completely unprotected. We only need to change the program inside the PLC to make it stop with full protection, and there is no need to change the wiring. And with the changes we make in the PLC program, the motor will be started with full protection. I will explain in full in the next video, which in the courses that we included in Udemy site in PLC programming training. And we have taught in detail about PLC and HMI program in Udemy courses. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for so much for beginning with me until today.